prohibit the growth of white hair during small age, only use following according to Ayurveda: tamarind, lemon, pomegranate, orange. Leafy vegetables, copper-rich vegetables, curd, ghee. The calcium is not only needed for the strength of the bones, also to control blood pressure and to maintain the strength of the muscles. The fruits and vegetables in the colors of green, orange, yellow, and red will help to prohibit the growth of cancer in our body. Tomato contains minerals like vitamin A, B6, C, thiamine, and lycopene in large amounts. Also, tomatoes contain red color protein, which will prohibit cancer. Mix the juice of neem leaves with the coconut oil and boil it for a while. Then apply this oil on the spots where you have knee pains. You will be relieved from pains. Store the water in a copper can/bowl throughout the night. Drink it early in the morning. It will reduce the diseases like cough, fever, eye problems, diarrhea, and digestion problems. If you mix 12 grams of honey in lukewarm water along with lemon juice and drink it every morning, you will lose your weight in less time only. If you want to increase your body strength, then mix the gingelly seeds powder and gingelly seeds powder it 2 times a day. The information provided here is for general informational purposes only and should not be considered as professional medical advice. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease or health condition. Ayurvedic practices and remedies may not be suitable for everyone, and individual results may vary. If you have a medical condition or are pregnant or nursing, please consult a qualified healthcare practitioner before using any Ayurvedic products or treatments.